What's up, guys? Here's one of the most sought after knives currently. This is a less than $10 7.5-inch folding knife in D2 high carbon steel in orange. Got the coated blade, the injection handle. Very cool knife. I'm not gonna do a review on the knife. I'm just gonna tell you that it looks cooler in black, and it's easy to get it pretty black with some dye. This FRN handle is easy to dye with some white dye. So if you don't like the orange and you want to go with the black, grab some white dye, and some vinegar and water should do it. Let's go ahead and do it. So first things first, I'm not disassembling the knife because heck, it was only $10. But you will lose the color on this part, on the axis lock and the pivot, which you can see here and here. For some reason, oh no, actually the screws kind of kept their color. But yeah, the heat from the water and the vinegar and the dye probably are the ones that strip that paint away. And as for the blade, I got some etching after I did it a little bit. You'll lose a little of that black finish on the steel. So I'll try and do it so it doesn't. I'll try to wipe this clean with alcohol before it goes in, see if that makes a difference so that I don't get this going on. So here's the blade out of the plastic. And as you can see, all that paint that's gonna come off. Hopefully it won't be this bad this time, but we'll see. So I'm gonna clean it with an alcohol swab, and I won't touch it with my bare hands before I put it into the vinegar. Hopefully this prevents any of that going on. So I was playing with the knife before I did it earlier, or with this one. So maybe my oils from my fingers. But this time I will not touch the blade. So here we got some water and vinegar going right now. It's about 150 degrees. I'm just gonna put this in there now. And then I'll put the dye in. Some people put the dye in first and mix it. Let's see what the temperature is there. 136. I found out that the higher temperature, the faster it will dye. So you don't need too much. Probably that much. What was that? About 2 tablespoons maybe? And let that go. And we'll see. Currently it is for 143 Fahrenheit. It's about 180 now. You can see that the dye is getting in there. And you can see the paint's already coming off of the steel. For some reason it didn't come off of the clip. After 8 minutes, I think we're good to go. Just rinse it off, dry it off, and oil it up, and you should be good. The paint came off here, here. Not so much paint came off on the pivot. The blade looks good actually. We'll see when this dries off how it affected the blade, the black on the blade. Alright, got the air compressor out. Let's dry this thing good. So here's the end product. I think it's this one. Let's see. I'm really not sure. Yeah, this is the end product. It's wet still. All right, there we go. Still nice. I guess you don't have to worry too much about bearings rusting because it's plastic bearings, I heard. I guess the only thing you have to worry about corroding is this axis lock. So there you go. And looks like the alcohol didn't do anything. Just oil this down.
This might answer your question.
So there you go. Matching knives. Pretty cool. You can turn the orange into the black in a couple minutes. About 10 minutes, 8 minutes. I'm assuming the heat does work better. I'm not sure. But here's the black from my mini Griptilian compared to these guys. Can't really tell. So, turn these orange $10 knives into these. Not a bad deal. And, I mean, shoot, lose these. We'll make them workhorses. They're awesome knives. Alright, good luck with that. Here's one last thing I'll do. Bag of rice, knife, boom. Let this sit for a day and you're good to go.